Because they are your friends, and now they became your business partner or business associates, you now have a responsibility to help your two friends get two as well. Just two. Okay, just a proper duplication. Let's just say we're gonna do this on your first month of doing the business. What month is today? Today is what? April. Okay, let's just say let's do this April. Again, what are we gonna do this April? You join with one hand. And then what? You refer two friends. And then what? You help your two friends get two. So I'm gonna give you a tip. Doc, how am I gonna invite two friends? It's so easy. You call them up. You say, friend, I have this great business and I want to show it to you. When are you available? Today or today? He has no choice. You've given him an option wherein he has to hear your opportunity today or today. Okay? And then you say, I'm busy. You just simply say, nicely and politely, friend, if you're not gonna see me today, I'm gonna burn your place. It's that easy. Okay? You're saying it nicely and politely. Okay? Or you say, friend, if you're not gonna look at my business today, I'm gonna kill you tomorrow. So let's meet today. So it's that easy. So you're saying it politely, with no harsh on it. Okay? You're giving him the freedom of choice. You either be dead tomorrow or you see me today. Okay? So you do this on your first month. Number 4, for whatever reason, after doing the first 3 steps, for whatever reason, you stop doing the business. Let us say you stop on your second month of doing the business. Next month would be April, May. Right? And the worst scenario happened. What's the worst possible scenario that can happen? This become a vicious cycle. It duplicates. They duplicated you. Okay? What do I mean? Those two friends who joined also stop on their second month. Okay? Ma'am, what's your name, ma'am? Beth. Beth, can I use your name as an example?
Sure.
It's okay. Most of the names that I use as an example become millionaires. Okay. Can I continue? Okay. Do you really want to be example? Okay. Let's just say this is Beth. What would happen to Beth if this very crucial thing happened to her? Okay? She joined, she referred 2 friends, she helped the 2 friends get 2 as well, then she stopped, and it duplicates. April of 2011, how would Beth look like? Will she be driving a brand new car? Will she have a brand new condo? Will she have a great vacation? Let's just say this is April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. After 12 short months, what can possibly happen to Beth if this what-if scenario happened to her? Number 1, she joined with one hand or one slap. Number 2, she invited 2 of her good friends to look at the opportunity and they joined as well. Number 3, she helped the 2 friends get 2 as well. How many are there in the network? 4. It becomes 4. 2 invited 2, it becomes 4. And on the second month, this is already May, Beth stopped doing the business. Beth told herself, this business is not for me. Or, I want to continue on what I used to do. Or, I want to continue on my profession. I want to focus on my family. I want to focus on my church. I want to focus on whatever things she's doing prior to this opportunity. She stopped. And it duplicates. What happened? The 2 friends that she had registered or enrolled in her network system helped the 4 newly enrolled people sponsored 2 as well. So if these 2 help the 4 new sponsored people get 2, it becomes 8. And they stop as well. Okay? And then these 4 new guys help sponsor this 8 to get their 2, it becomes 16. And these 4 stop as well. So it's a vicious cycle. Many people are joining, but many people are stopping as well. So it's not a good system. They're stopping. Because the way to go here is to continue sponsoring people. The 8 help the 16 to get their 2 newly sponsored distributors. It becomes 32 and they quit. It becomes 64 and they stop. It it becomes 128 and they quit. 256, 512, 1024, they quit, they stop. And it goes on and on. 2048, and they quit. 4096, they stop. After 1 year, after 12 short months of this thing happening to Beth's life, Beth has more or less 8,000 people in his network. Chances are, she would probably be knowing only the top 3 chairs or top 3 levels that she introduced into the business. But here, down here, she probably don't know all of them or even some of them. So out of these 8,000 people who have joined after 1 year, okay, of Beth stopping doing the business on the second month, Beth more or less have earned 100,000 Singapore dollar. Okay, is this good? Is this a great income? Let's get back at the what-if scenario. What if, to begin with, Beth did not invest on just one slot or 1,345? What if Beth invested on a 3 slots or 3 business center? So how much would it cost him to invest in a 3 business center? It's 345 times 3. Why would Beth invest on a 3 business center? Okay, it is this easy. If you have 3 heads as compared to 1, your income can be doubled with the same effort. Okay? 1 slot versus 3 slots, your income can be doubled with the same time and with the same effort. Then why would you invest on a 7 heads? Because your income would be tripled with the same effort. Why would you go on 15 heads? Because your income can be quadrupled with the same time and effort. So let's just say Beth, instead of having just 1 slot, invested on 3 slots. Then he would have earned 100,000 Sing dollars in just 1 year. He could have earned 200,000 in 1 year. Is this possible? Is this possible? Yes. Let's just say Beth did not invite 2 friends. What if Beth invited 12 friends instead of just 2? Is it possible? Yes. Then Beth could have earned more than 100 to 200,000 Singapore dollars after a year. Am I right? Yes. What if those 12 friends who have joined help their 12 new friends get, say, 5, get 4, get 3, not just 2, but say 3 or 4 or 5, each of them. Then Beth could have earned more than this. Am I right? Yes. What if Beth didn't stop? What if Beth every month sponsored people in his or in her entire organization? Let's just say Beth enrolled 2 on April, and then she enrolled, say, 3 on May, and then she enrolled, say, 5 on June. She enrolled 1 in July. She enrolled 1 in August, 2 in September, 3 in October. Then she could have made more than this. Am I right? Yes. What if her entire network did not stop as well? Then she could have earned more than this. Am I right? Yes. What if someone from this left group, she was able to sponsor a Chinese-speaking friend? Is it possible? Yes. And then after a few months, we've opened in Indonesia. Are there Chinese-speaking people in Indonesia? Are there Chinese-speaking people in Singapore? But of course. Okay, what if after some time, you sponsored a Malay-speaking friend of this other group. And then we opened in Malaysia. And we opened in Indonesia. And we're now already open in Brunei. So the possibilities are endless. What if after some time, the friend here in Singapore has a friend in the United States of America? Which is bigger, Singapore or the United States of America? Which has more population, Singapore or USA? USA. So do you get the picture right now? So it's not about talking to people. Yes, it's about talking to people now, but the back of your mind, you're pioneering in other countries that we're gonna open. So I want to show you the big picture so you can earn more than this. Okay? We started in the Philippines, but because we partnered with Nature's Way, an American manufacturer existing successfully for the past 50 years, and they have great products for us, okay? 6 months ago, we have a Brunei representative office and we're legally registered in Brunei. And today, we're legally registered in Singapore. After a few months, we'll be entering Malaysia. Within this year, we're going to open in Indonesia. Okay, our products have pending registrations in Hong Kong and in Taiwan. And late this year to early next year, we're going to open in Hawaii. These are minority states of the U.S., Hawaii, Guam. And early next year, we're going to open in the United States of America. So these are the things that are lined up to be open. Okay? So we're just starting here in Singapore. And we already have an office here in Singapore, International Plaza. So can you imagine if early next year, first quarter next year, we're going to open the U.S. mainland, how would the people in this countries going to feel? They said, what? You're going to open our countries first before you open the United